Your tech setup could collapse in seconds, and the culprit might be something you've overlooked: the barracuda. It may seem harmless, but the devices inspired by this creature could be the weak link in your tech infrastructure. Have you considered the dangers lurking in plain sight? Flashy ads and appealing features can mask serious risks. Many believe they are simply upgrading their tech, but what if those upgrades are ticking time bombs? Imagining a sleek, barracuda-inspired gadget hiding more than meets the eye. Technical glitches are just the beginning. Fundamental risks could threaten your entire system. Could threaten your beginning funded Remember the excitement of buying that shiny new device. What if you were blind to the compatibility issues lurking beneath its surface? Now, picture this: your network crashes at the worst possible moment during a crucial presentation or operation. You're in a panic, unaware that the very tools you trusted are sabotaging you from within. This isn't just a tech failure, it's a betrayal of trust. As we navigate this landscape, let's confront the misplaced confidence we often have in these gadgets. Many assume they'll integrate seamlessly into our lives, but hidden risks could leave you vulnerable and unprepared. The mix of convenience and danger creates a perfect storm you never saw coming. Think compromise is manageable. Those minor glitches can snowball into serious vulnerabilities that threaten your entire system's integrity. You risk not just money, but also time and stress trying to fix what was never right to begin with. What if the very features that attracted you are the ones leading you astray? A sleek interface might compromise your security. This isn't just about technology, it's about your peace of mind. As we dive deeper, consider your choices. Are you willing to gamble your tech infrastructure on gadgets designed to dazzle rather than serve? Are you ready to face the consequences if that gamble fails? Take a hard look at your setup. Evaluate whether your tech genuinely enhances your life or introduces risks you can't afford to ignore. The next time you are tempted to upgrade, remember this: those barracuda-inspired gadgets might be more dangerous than they appear. Navigate wisely, your tech future depends on it. Have you ever felt a chill when your favorite gadget suddenly glitches? What if that glitch is more than just a minor tech issue? It could be a warning sign of something much more serious. Imagine relying on a high-tech gadget inspired by the sleek and powerful barracuda, designed to enhance your workflow and simplify your life. But here's the catch: this technology mimics the nature of the barracuda, and that's where the trouble begins. Many people are unaware of the hidden dangers lurking within these devices. Just because they look impressive doesn't mean they're safe. The very features that attract you might conceal a dangerous flaw, like a ticking time bomb ready to disrupt your tech infrastructure. Picture your home or office filled with these gadgets, all working in harmony. Then one day, they start to act strangely. Maybe one device crashes, and then another follows suit. Suddenly, your smart home is anything but smart. What's going wrong? The root of the issue might lie in how these gadgets communicate. Like barracudas in a shoal, They rely on one another to function smoothly. When one falters, sends shockwaves through the entire system, putting everything at risk. The irony. You thought you were embracing innovation, but you might be inviting disaster instead. Consider this: you are in the middle of an important video call when suddenly your camera freezes. Frustrated, you might dismiss it as just a minor glitch. But what if that's actually a signal? A cry for help from your tech, warning you of deeper issues that could spiral out of control. Many users ignore these signs, brushing off glitches as normal occurrences. But neglecting these small warnings is like ignoring a cut from a barracuda so sharp teeth it can easily get infected. The longer you wait, the more damage it can cause. So, how can you protect yourself from these hidden dangers? Start by paying attention to those stress signals. Notice the patterns in your gadget's behavior. If they are acting erratically, it might be time to reassess their reliability. You would ignore your body's signals telling you something's off, so why do the same with your tech? Be proactive, not reactive. As you navigate this tech-driven world, remember that the allure of barracuda-inspired gadgets comes with risks. Stay vigilant. The next time something feels off, don't brush it aside. You might just save your tech infrastructure from a catastrophic failure. In this ever-changing landscape, awareness is your best defense. Keep your eyes open, and your tech will thank you for it. Want to dive deeper into this world? Subscribe for more insights that could help keep your digital life safe. Imagine this: a sleek gadget inspired by nature's most efficient predator, the barracuda. It promises speed, efficiency, and an amazing user experience. But wait. Before you dive in, let's explore the hidden risks that might be lurking beneath the surface. You've probably seen these devices everywhere, right? From smart home systems to advanced networking tools, barracuda-inspired technology is transforming our lives. But what if I told you these innovations could come with unexpected consequences that might jeopardize your entire tech setup? Many users overlook a critical flaw. As these gadgets become more integrated into our daily routines, they introduce new vulnerabilities. It's not just about speed anymore, it's about security. What happens when that efficiency turns into a ticking time bomb? Picture this: you're at home, relaxing while your smart device manages everything seamlessly. But behind that sleek interface, there could be a backdoor waiting to be exploited. Have you considered who really has access to your data? Let's dig a little deeper. The design philosophy behind barracuda-inspired technology emphasizes speed, often at the expense of security measures. Imagine your data flowing like a river fast and entering but with cracks in the dam. What could slip through those cracks? You might think, I'm careful I don't share sensitive information. But it's not just about you. Think about your connections and personal network. One breach could send shockwaves throughout the entire system. Now, let's raise the stakes. What if I told you these sleek devices could be the entry point for a larger attack? A simple oversight could give cybercriminals access to sensitive areas of your tech infrastructure. Does that sound concerning? Consider a company that invested heavily in barracuda-inspired tech to streamline its operations. They never imagined their choice would open the door for hackers. In moments, their entire network was compromised, and the consequences were devastating. You're probably wondering how your Here's the improved version of your script chunk, and I protect myself. There are rare ways to reduce these risks. Start by understanding your gadgets, what vulnerabilities they might have, and how to secure your network. Keep your software updated. Use strong passwords.